This kind of house was meant to entertain extended family, to have visitors over, and to have more of your family in one house. It has 7 bedrooms, a swimming pool, 4-vehicle carport, and inside a very family-friendly and safe subdivision. So if this has been the kind of home that you've been looking for, well, watch on. So today we'll be going around this brand new house and lot for sale in this exclusive subdivision. And you can tell that it is exclusive just by the mere fact na walang gate. So you have your open carport over here on the leftmost side, and it can fit 4 vehicles comfortably. You have access to the side of the house, as well as the staff area and the storeroom, again here on the left side. And then on the rightmost, you can also go around, and there are garden planter boxes as well. Okay, so over here you have your main door. So you only have 2 steps up, and then you have glass panels on either side of the solid wooden door with a digital door lock. So in this case, we will be using this to enter. So, bumuka siya mag-isa. I didn't need to push it. Okay. So you have open space concept the moment you go inside. You see your main stairs on your immediate left, and then you have your kitchen, your dining, and your living area all in one huge and open space. This particular area has double height high ceiling, which features this gorgeous and very shiny chandelier. It looks quite light, dahon siya na makinang, and it's very sparkly, especially now na sundown na. And then you can open up the side glass, sliding glass doors. Side glass or side sliding glass doors. Medyo nakakabulol yun. As well as the glass sliding glass doors. Ano redundant yung sinabi ko, no? Okay lang yun, wag nyo nang ikat. To have access to the swimming pool. So if you were entertaining people and you were having a party, indoor-outdoor situation. Now, if you wanted to open the glass, but you didn't want to let the bugs in, you have your built-in screen right here. And if you didn't want it, it tucks away very neatly. Now, before I talk about the rest of this floor, I want to show you this pool area first. Yes, we have a water feature, that's what you're hearing. We have an outdoor shower on the rightmost side. And then over here, we have a tucked away daily kitchen. Okay, so we have a sort of kitchenette here with a built-in sink and lots of storage already. So, depende na lang kung anong klaseng stove yung gusto nyo ipatong sa countertop. Or grill, it's up to you. You again have access to the side of the house for your utility area or staff area. And then you have here the pumps, as well as pool maintenance, of course. And essentially, this is what the rest of the floor looks like from this perspective. Very open, very airy, very maaliwalas. Okay, so now from here, the first door that you will see right past the kitchen is the pantry. You already have built-in shelving over here, both open shelving and drawers. It's dito open shelving then. And then your kitchen already comes fully equipped with certain built-ins like a coffee maker, your multifunction sink, like ang dami niya nagagawa, your dishwasher, your oven, and your microwave. You do not have the refrigerator right now, but you can see the provision right there. You have lots of storage, both in this high gloss gray as well as this matte light wood finish. Then you have quartz countertops as well as for your island counter. And of course, you have drawers that come with soft close. You also have a bar attached to it. Now, this is a low bar, so kahit yung regular dining tables, pwede nyo lagay dito. So it also works as a breakfast nook. And then over here, we have bedroom number 1. So this is perfect for those who may need for someone to be on this floor, especially if they have trouble climbing up the stairs. Or if you didn't need that, you could turn this into an office. It's up to you really, but essentially it is a bedroom here. And you have your built-in wardrobe as well as open shelving. You have your desk and entertainment and vanity, and then you have an ensuite toilet and bath with your sink. Di pa ito nakakabit, super brand new. With your sink, your automated toilet, and then your enclosed shower space. And then just before you head up the second floor, you have a few steps up leading to the guest accessible powder room, which only has a sink and a toilet, and it's tucked away under the stairs. Okay, if you've been liking this one so far, make sure you give it a like and a follow. And if you want to see more of our listings here in this area, by the way, this is in South Forbes. So if you've been looking for a brand new home like this one and you want to see more of our listings, make sure you let us know, send us a message, or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future, invest with us, invest with Presello. So in contrast from the ground floor, which had glossy, large cut porcelain tiles, dito sa floor na to, wooden planks naman in gray. And the first door that you will see from the main stairs leads to bedroom number 2, which has an ensuite toilet and bath with a sink, an automated toilet, and an enclosed shower space. So this is what this room looks like. You still have a unique chandelier. I believe this is the only room in this house with that kind of chandelier. You have your built-in wardrobe, desk, vanity, and entertainment. So that means your headboard will go here. Meron na ring outlet doon for your convenience. And then you also have a metal screen, both for your sliding door and this awning window. Para kung malamig naman, buksan nyo na lang yung bitana and close the screen so that you don't let any bugs in. But if you wanted to go outside, you do have a sliding glass door leading out to the balcony at the front of the property. This one also goes to the side. This is more for maintenance, but I mean, if you wanted to hide from the public, not that it's busy around here because this is a quiet neighborhood after all. But you have a nice little nook over here just to get away. Oh, it's actually smooth. Okay, so as you continue down the hallway, you have another door here on your right, and this is bedroom number 3. And again, it's sundown, so it's casting some really dramatic shadows in the rooms. Again, so this is a different configuration. The chandelier is different, but the idea is the same. Very minimalist lines or straight lines, angled lines, apart from some accents like in this case, the chandelier. And of course, the curtains soften all of the edges. And that sunlight, of course, brings in the magic. You have your built-in wardrobe, desk, vanity, and entertainment shelf. And then you have an ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, your automated toilet, and your enclosed shower space. There we go, it's automated. And then right next to that one, we have bedroom number 4. So it's sort of a mirror image. Again, the first thing you will see is your ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, toilet, and enclosed shower space, but in your mirror setup niya. And then here you have your desk, your wardrobe, your vanity, and then your entertainment shelf. But again, this is where your headboard will go. You can actually fit a queen-sized bed kasi ang layo no ano niya. Outlets, so you can put end tables on either side of your bed. And then you still have access to a balcony here at this side of the property. So facing the house, this is actually the right side of the property. So yeah, another set of sliding doors with metal screens. Oh, by the way, the light panels all are capacitive touch panels. Haven't seen that in a while, huh? Or at least I haven't pointed it out in a while. Okay, and then here at the end of the hallway, we have a sort of common office area if you wanted it to be an office. So again, you have windows for cross ventilation. You can open them up and then close the screen, metal screen, so that you can just let the breeze go through. And of course, this also works as storage and what have you. And then the final door on this floor is the primary bedroom, or bedroom number 5. So this is the amount of space that you have. You can definitely fit a queen-sized bed or bigger, king size if you want. The only built-in that you'll see here is the entertainment, as well as the vanity, as well as the control for the smart home. So you might have noticed there are lots of capacitive touch light switches, and that also is connected to the master switch here. And of course, you have sliding glass doors that lead to a balcony at the back of the property. Okay, so clearly, puro bamboo, no? But this is actually the perimeter of the subdivision. But if you know this area, this entire like estate here is all just residential subdivisions or like residential clusters. So even if this is the perimeter and that is the main road for the entire, let's just say estate, it's still private. It's not public at all, so okay lang. You have a sliding glass door over here that leads to your ensuite toilet and bath with your automated toilet, enclosed shower space in the middle of the room, a bathtub, and your his and hers sinks. The beauty about this particular sink is that it's just one huge sink with two faucets. So, madaling linisin actually, and it's nice. I personally think it's very nice. I love sinks like this. You also have lots of vanity or medicine cabinets and shelving over here. And then at the end, we have a walk-in closet with all of the storage spaces that you would need behind the smoked glass sliding doors. You have a shoe cabinet, hanging rods, drawers, shelving, and of course you have a vanity over here complete with an accessories drawer. Perfect for your watches, accessories, bracelets, etc. Okay, so that is it for this floor. Let's now head up the third floor. Oh, by the way, as you head up the stairs, check out the chandelier. Nice and sparkly. So even here at the top of the stairs, you have this beautiful like artwork of a chandelier. Speaking of artwork, kasama yung mga artwork na nakikita nyo. So this is the topmost landing. The ceiling is actually different. It slopes down. So really high ceiling over here, and then it slopes down, which is still high ceiling, by the way. And then at the end, you have this huge artwork, again, included. And from here, you can go to several doors. So let's check this one out first. This is actually a storeroom. So you have this amount of space. It is bare as of the moment, but you can just imagine putting some vertical shelves over here para magamit niyo yung height na yan. And then this is one of the bedrooms still. So you have an ensuite toilet and bath, of course with a sink, a toilet, enclosed shower space, and then this much room. You'll notice that the windows are higher to provide privacy. It does not have its own balcony, but you'll see why it doesn't need one. And then over here we have bedroom number 7. Okay, so this one is a little different. The ceiling again is taller, it's higher. You have that similar chandelier except it's on this floor. And then you have all of the built-ins. You have your entertainment, your wardrobe, your vanity. And then you have access to a balcony at the front of the property. Actually, this balcony wraps around to the side. It goes all the way until here. So it is quite a sizable balcony. But speaking of balconies, this is the guest or entertainment room. So this is pretty much a suite on its own. It comes complete with a kitchenette. It has its own ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, automated toilet, and enclosed shower space. Huge awning windows, by the way. And it has a bar and island counter over here. So it is its own setup already. If you wanted to turn this into an in-law suite, pwede. Kung entertainment room, pwede. kung guest room, pwede rin. You could fit a pool table here if you wanted to. Ganun siya ka-spacious. And again, you have very high ceiling. And this one has access to the largest balcony in the house. And it is at the top of the entire property. So you have this view of the subdivision, very nice and quiet. And as you can see, the sunset makes everything look extra dramatic. This does wrap around the corner as well until maybe almost like 1/4 of the guest room. Comment down below what you would use with this room though, or for this room. Okay, time for a recap. So you have 301 square meters of lot area and 716 square meters of floor area, split between 4 levels basically. 7 bedrooms, 8 toilet and baths, and a 2 to 4 vehicle carport. So if it seemed like ang dami nating bedrooms sa tinignan, it's because ang dami talaga ang bedrooms. And if this is exactly the kind of house that you wanted, meron pang swimming pool, merong, well, it's inside the very exclusive subdivision, so it's very safe. You could play out and maybe jog out on the streets. It's very quiet. It's very family oriented. It's very like zen. So make sure you let us know, send us a message, or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello.
If you enjoyed that video and want to see more of our tours, make sure you click here. If you want to see flats and lofts, click here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click right here.